and welcome to my channel. I'll start by apologizing that I have lost some clips, but please do make sure to check out the description box. The first ingredient on our list is jangsa, and jangsa is very important when it comes to pepper soup. We'll need some country onions. It has a very good flavor. Thirdly, ginger and garlic is completely optional when it comes to pepper soup. Now we'll equally need some white pepper, and we'll need some bush pepper. You can have it in sachets or whole. We'll need some cloves, which is very good in making pepper soup, and pepper soup needs some pepper, so we are definitely going to add some pepper to this. We'll need some seasoning cubes, and we have here with us some salt and some maggi. This is grounded country onions. Now this is our washed beef, so we are going to add some water to it and then proceed to boil. We are not going to add salt immediately. Once it starts boiling, that is when we are going to add some salt to it. So we are just going to add our cow skin and more water so it cooks well. This is our blended pepper soup spices, and this is our ochom leaves. So like I said, please check out the description box. There are some ingredients I'll leave at the end for you to see. Once it must have boiled, we are just going to add our pepper soup mix and then give it a good mix. There are times where people boil their cow meat for their pepper soup overnight, meaning you can boil it the day before and set it aside, then just add your pepper soup spices the next day in the morning should you have an occasion, so you need to save time. So now we are going to proceed to add pepper. Let it cook for 10 minutes and it is ready. This is one trick when it comes to having very clear pepper soup. You need to strain your pepper soup. I equally have a tip for cow skin, or when you boil things like tail cow, foot cow. You don't need to overcook your meat, else it is going to fall off from the bone. Meaning when your meat is too soft, you realize that it is easily detachable from the bone, and you wouldn't want that. No matter how you put it, this definitely scatters in the pot. So you will not want meat that scatters in the pot, given that you have to maybe heat it up continuously so it does not get sour. So heating it up 10 times, does that mean your meat will scatter 10 times? No. In most cases, I definitely cook my pepper soup, and when it is almost ready, I strain and then add my fish, so my fish cooks till finish or done. So that is how we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely drop better pepper soup recipes in future. This can be paired with plantain, yam, or rice. Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, share, and leave me a comment. Bye.